What's up everybody, Gian Rivero here with Luna Realty Belize, and today I want to bring you a brand new listing on the beautiful island of Ambergris Caye. Today we are here at La Beliza, where I'll be showing you a 2-bed, 2-bath unit that has that $1 million price tag for just half the price. Wanna take a look at it? Come on, follow me guys. We're here at the Pompano 604, which is a 2-bed, 2-bath unit filled with all of the bells and whistles. It has an ensuite bathroom, a large balcony, and best of all, it is a beachfront unit. True beachfront, right on the water. Views of the turquoise seas are right behind me. So guys, if you're wanting more information about this unit, please feel free to reach out at the information below. Or if you want to have a chat with me directly, my email is somewhere here or there. Looking forward to hearing from you guys. See you on the next one.